Definitely on the kitchen design trend side, we've been seeing a bit more of an open concept, come into that kitchen design aesthetic where, you're seeing a lot more open shelving now. I think along with that, one of the things that I am seeing, like if you're looking through magazines and some of the designs that we're beginning to do is there's built-in hoods. Before the freestanding hoods, like the one behind me, are kind of the trend for a while. And now we're seeing, even on contemporary design where we're doing just a nice contemporary custom hood enclosure and just putting a hood insert really adds an extra element to the design of the kitchen. And then pairing that with the floating shelves on either side just really opens up the space and really makes it feel more modern and more contemporary, even in a transitional or more traditional design. Using aspects of different design aesthetics within a particular design style helps add a depth to that design and kind of gives you, a bit more of an eclectic style that's more unique to you and your space. Another design trend in kitchens that we're seeing, it's been around for a while, is a two-tone kitchen. We're not going so much with like a dark and light, but maybe it's a lighter wood paired with a lighter solid color. So that's definitely another trend that I'm noticing coming up and being something that will probably stay for a little while.